Hello dear all, if you are interested in website development, then this course is for you. We are going to start a free online course for website development. So in this video, we are going to provide you the course overview so that you have a better idea about what you are going to learn in this free tutorial. We have divided our course into 3 parts. In part 1, we are going to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In part 2, we are going to learn Bootstrap, and in part 3, we are going to learn PHP MySQL. You don't need any prerequisites to enroll in this course. Anyone can join this course just by subscribing to our channel. So without wasting much of time, let's subscribe. You may require computer, laptop, smartphone and internet connectivity, because we are going to provide our course content online on YouTube. After the end of each tutorial, we are going to provide you the online assignment. You need to do it by yourself so that you have a better idea about the course. The timing for this course is totally up to you. You can watch this tutorial anytime from anywhere. We suggest you to watch a video per day so that you have a better idea related to the course. If you want to join this course, you need to subscribe to our channel and need to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification. If your friends are also interested in website development, please do share with them.